po sila ilan. Like cellphone. Para kayong mga between. Isang huling awitin po para sa inyong lahat. Sana pag narinig nyo itong awitin na ito, pag kinanta nyo kasama mga kaibigan nyo, maalala nyo yung gabing ito. Maalala nyo itong mga napakagandang ilaw na pinapailaw nyo. At sana maalala nyo na mahal ko kayong lahat. At nagpapasalamat ako sa suporta nyo at pinapayagan yung samahan ng buhay nyo ng aking musika. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you, Masbate. Sana makabalik pa ulit. Nobody knows just why could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspires to melt the lines to make us fuel and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too sure I'll be. You know how it goes. Cause when nothing seems clear, from the sheer weight of your dancing feet, weary heart, you'll be safe. Alright. Remember how we laughed on